what is composition? Now, composition is somewhat of the advanced level object-oriented programming concept. So now you made a class, say class A, okay, and you made an object, say obj, wherever, main or wherever. Now you made a class B, and now what you are doing? You are taking the object of class A and putting it in your class B. So you are taking the object of class A or using the class A or referring the class A object as the variable. Say I am making class C also, I am making object 2. So class B is having object 1 and object 2, one from the A class, one from the C class. So this is the composition, has a relationship. See, Honda has a car engine. See, inheritance is also important here, and the composition is also important here, because when you are extending, a car can be Honda, a car can be Ford. So Honda is extending the car, or you can say Honda is derived from car. But has a relationship or a composition relationship is all about referring the objects of other class and using them or putting them inside your class as the variable data members. So the class B has A, class B has C, like a Honda has a car engine, a Ford has a car engine. So in Honda, you are taking, in Honda class, you are putting the object of car engine class. So it describes a class that references one or more objects of other class in instance variable. So it models has an association between objects. So we can see these, as I just told you, in real world we have this Honda and car engine kind of situation will always arise. So class B has A, class B has A, and class B has C also. I have not made the class C, but just imagine. So this is the whole scenario we are discussing. This is the composition. Normally to the beginners it won't be asked, but for the advanced or experienced C++ guys or the object-oriented programming guys, this composition is a very important concept. And this will always be asked if you are going for an experience interview. Now, if you want to change the benefits of composition is reusing the existing code, designing clean APIs, changing the implementation of class used in composition without adapting to any external client.